Foreman Fusion Grill from Sultan Maxim Housewares.
I want to introduce America to a new way of grilling with my new George Foreman Fusion Grill.
Introducing the next step in grilling, the new George Foreman Fusion Grill. We incorporated all your favorite features, like a sloped grill to drain grease away from your food, and added new fusion features, like a tempered glass lid to seal in more flavor, a variable temperature control for cooking at different temperatures, and the Fusion Cup that penetrates true fusion flavors into your food. Plus, the Fusion Grill is big, George Foreman big.
The George Foreman Fusion Grill gives you more size, more flavor, more versatility.
Plus, in today's show, when you buy the revolutionary George Foreman Fusion Grill, George is going to include the original world-famous Lean Mean fat-reducing grilling machine at absolutely no additional cost to you. You heard right. When you buy the George Foreman Fusion Grill, you get George's original world-famous Lean Mean fat-reducing grilling machine at no extra cost to you. This is a limited-time offer and good only while supplies last, so stay tuned.
The George Foreman Fusion Grill make all your favorite foods taste great.
Don't miss your chance to own the amazing new George Foreman Fusion Grill. And to show you how, ladies and gentlemen, meet your host, Mr. Larry Anderson.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Boy, I tell you, we have got a very exciting and, as you can see, a tasty show ahead of us, and it's going to be a great time, and I want to introduce my co-host before we get started. You've seen her on lots of television shows and cooking shows. She's the author of two very popular books, The Healthy Gourmet and George Foreman's Knock Out the Fat Barbecue and Grilling Cookbook. Please welcome Sherry Kalbaum. Hi, Sherry.
Great to see you.
Well, it's great to see you, and I'm so excited about this new product.
I love cooking on the new George Foreman Grill. It's great food.
Well, we're going to see all about that in a minute, but since you mentioned his name, this is the perfect time to introduce him. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome the champ himself, George Foreman. Hey, George. Good to see you. Well, George, your other grills have been so popular, but this one is just so different from the other ones. Tell us about this.
I call it the heavyweight champ. Why? Because it's big. This is the biggest grill we've done.
And you know what's really neat about this grill, in addition to being big, George, is you've incorporated all the features of your other grills, is that non-stick surface and the sloping surface, so the fat and all the other gunk.
We want to make sure we channel all the fat away. We're keeping with the same theme, knock out the fat. Now, this grill, I call it the Tender Dome, because once you put this on top, you keep this food, steak, meat, chicken, fish, you name it, it's going to be tender.
And that all happens because of this dome.
That's right. You see the steam right there? It's the rainforest effect.
Oh, so the steam and all the flavors go up and hit the...
That's right. Right from the flavor well, you can put any kind of flavored water, garlic water, ginger, lime, soy, wine and dill, whatever you want in there.
Wow, and I noticed, we were talking about fat and gunk and juice and all that you want to drain off. It's in the drip tray right here.
Yeah, because this is slanted. It has my grooves, so you make sure the food doesn't slip and slide around.
Right.
But also all of the grease and the unwanted stuff is channeled away right in that drip.
Look at now, there's fat, there's juice, there's gunk, all kinds of things you don't want in your body
there you
are
go.
Going into the drip tray and not into your system.
That's right. And you see, I still have to jump in the ring these days.
Yeah.
So I got to eat high-protein food, but at the same time, I got to knock that fat out.
What else is different about your new grill?
The most important thing, just like I said, it's big. Now, this grill is hot. We're cooking some delicious burgers. So look, you can lift this thing up, take it to your table. It turns into the party animal.
Put it right in the middle of the table, and everybody just grabs their own burger, huh?
So many families, what we forget to do, because we're in a rush, and for good reasons. In the evening times, we don't have time. We can quickly get something together, and the whole family can sit down, pick what you want. Do you want chicken? Do you want hamburger? And it doesn't have to touch the other. You can be a finicky eater. You can enjoy yourself with this George Foreman Fusion Grill.
We put steak, we put hamburger, and pork chops and vegetables on the grill at the same time. And when we took them off, they were all beautiful, and they taste really good.
It didn't dry out like normally it would. It actually kept its moisture, and you could see that it was tender and soft and juicy, and so you didn't lose anything at all. Flavor, even with all the juices draining out in terms of the fat, you didn't lose anything at all.
Well, there's so many different ways to cook. I know you're steaming vegetables. This looks like roasted chicken.
Roasting half chickens. Aren't those beautiful?
Grilled chops, pork chops,
and lamb chops and potatoes and apples for a fabulous meal for the whole family. And I think we should cut into a chicken breast because we've been talking about moist and juicy and tender, and we haven't cut into anything. How about if you hold it?
Yeah, and you guys can
and
cut.
I'll cut. And we want to get a shot of
Boy, the juice is just...
that juice.
Oh, that is
Isn't
so
that
moist.
Beautiful. Think about chicken breast, and you take the skin off the chicken, which I tell people as nutritionists, they say, oh, it turns out dry. It tastes like shoe leather. It isn't moist and tender. Not on this grill.
That's the tender dome.
Tender dome and work.
Make sure the food stays tender.
You know something? We've got a little illustration as to how this whole rainforest effect works, and we're going to look at it right now.
Place the tempered glass lid on the new George Foreman Fusion Grill and trap more of the natural flavor that usually escapes while grilling. Typically, moisture rises off your food and evaporates as you cook. But the George Foreman Fusion Grill catches that moisture with the lid before it can evaporate. And as the condensation builds, it rains all that natural, juicy goodness back into your food. With this rainforest effect under the lid, you enhance the authentic flavor of your favorite foods for tender, succulent meat, fish, and vegetables.
Look, have a heat temperature control right here.
Sure, it's right on.
Blade, that's right. And it has my name on it, which means I guarantee you my family has enjoyed this. Your family will too.
This is really ingenious because you can cook foods at different temperatures. Some foods you might want to cook slower or faster or at lower or higher heat.
And you know, at a certain time of day, you want to just lower the temperature. This become your ultimate buffet.
Oh, so if you just want to keep food warm after you've cooked it, you can have it on the buffet table. Great.
And look about these skewers here.
Ooh, yeah.
You see, everyone has a different color.
Hey.
This represents different family members.
Sure, that's smart
different
thinking.
countries, different parts of the world.
So we're basting these then, right?
Those represent basting, and that's a chicken vegetable kebab, and you can put a great marinade in the center there and baste it as you cook, and you can marinate it beforehand. This is nothing wasted, right? All that flavor we're using over again, and it gives a very light, delicate flavor if you want that as well.
Great. Now, I see we've got one of your favorite dishes going here, George.
Yep. You see, you get your baby back ribs.
Yeah.
You're in Texas. You don't have to mop it down. You don't even have to add any fat. You just put the barbecue sauce, your mesquite, since you're in Texas. You want to smoke it, put this on top, you get the same effect, and it's beautiful. You don't have to go outside. If you're in Minnesota, it's cold out there. You want to watch the Vikings, you don't have to run outside to the grill. You can do it all right here.
Well, you know, you were so smart to make this tender dome see-through. Because you can watch and monitor how the food is cooking, when you want to turn it. Look at this. Look at this happening, all this
Well, look at this
fusion.
beautiful, and look at our corn. Isn't that great? It looks like it was done on the outdoor barbecue and indoors, and so easy.
Those grill marks are there.
Scallops and our zucchini. What a great meal for the whole family to gather around and have a delicious, healthy meal.
With the fact that it's draining the oil and the greases away, it's just a plus. I mean, I don't know why anybody never thought about this years ago, but we don't have to cook food in a pool of grease anymore. We can just cook it on the grill, let the grill do it, and let the grease drain away. So I'm really turned on about the George Foreman grill.
Well, after cooking on the George Foreman grill, I find the flavors brighter, more exciting. The flavor hasn't boiled away in the water or dripped away in the fat or sat in its own grease.
What does it mean, fusion? Describe it a little more.
Fusion means blending together a variety of flavors.
That's all it is.
Simple. And then permeating it into the food,
And
which we're doing here with our flavor well. Now, I know, George, this is something that you like, is seafood.
Yeah, I love that.
Delicious.
I do too. I
See the food, I eat it.
Well, great. So we have a little Cajun. We got some Tex-Mex. And what would you call this?
Now, look at what I've got here. This is chicken kebabs, and we've got Thai sauce in the flavor well. This is great for dipping. And I don't want anyone to be worried about having to do a fancy sauce. You can go to the grocery store and buy a bottle of peanut sauce and put that in the flavor well, and it heats up, it bubbles. You can see it looks so good. You know, you're just ready to sit down with your family and friends and do a little dipping in the flavor well.
Let's see how you break it down and clean it then.
Well, 3 dishwasher-safe parts. Here's the lid.
Okay, so this goes in the dishwasher.
And these go in the dishwasher, and I'll give those to you, Larry.
Okay, and this is all dishwasher safe, huh?
Yes.
I'll be darned. Okay.
That's the start of making this so easy. And then, look at this. Take out the temperature control.
Right.
When this is cool to the touch, you're ready to immerse it in water.
It's been designed with that in mind.
Designed
so you
for
can
that.
submerge the whole thing.
Are you ready?
Sure,
Okay,
let's see
here
it
we go. It is this easy. Just submerge this in water.
Now, we're using a fish tank here. Of course, you wouldn't do that with your own aquarium at home.
Nope, this is it. A little soft brush. You're done washing. That's it, Larry.
I think that every family in America could really benefit from the George Foreman Fusion Grill, just really for a lot of reasons. The no-fat or low-fat cooking, I think, is just so important. The versatility of the grill. You can cook a lot of food on it. You can cook a little food on it. It cleans up easy.
It's healthy.